guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's just a very simple one. I know I've seen loads of questions asked about it. Poached eggs in the Ninja pressure cooked. It really couldn't be any easier. It's a couple of eggs, a bit of butter and some water. What I would recommend is buying yourself some silicone egg cup things. There's a lot of them available on Amazon, but make sure you get the ones with a little base on the bottom, because otherwise they won't stand up. We'll see these ones stand up really well. The other ones that are kind of just like dish shaped, they'll be all over the place. So what I'm going to do is now, I'm just going to let Jen take over and make these. And then we'll whap them in, and then this is actually going to be our lunch for the day. We've done these before. I think the first day we did them was Christmas Day, wasn't it? We had it for breakfast.
Yeah.
Nice and easy, really exactly what we needed. So what I'm going to do is now let Jen take over, and then we're going to have some lunch. Okay, right, so what we've done is we're only going to make two. So Jen's just going to put a bit of butter in these. I know they're non-stick, but it can't help. It can't hurt really. So yeah, just a bit of butter in.
Is that too much? Is that
No, that's about perfect. Okay, right. So now they're buttered. I was going to say well lubed, but I'm not going to. So now what I'm going to do is just going to break the eggs into it. Jen is very cat-handed, as we've learnt before, so this is going to be fun. Okay, one, that's perfect. And then the second one.
I wouldn't call myself cat-handed, it's more left-handed.
Same thing.
So I think you need to apologise to any left-handed subscribers we have.
I'm not apologising to anyone. Right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to move this over to the Ninja and we'll show you the settings that we use. Right, so here we are over at the Ninja. So it's 250 ml of cold water straight in the pot. And then the eggs go in the crisper basket. The eggs have to be cooked from the fridge. If you do them from the side, then the yolks won't be as runny as you kind of hope they would be. So if you whack the crisper basket in, Jen, over the top of the water, and then carefully not spill the eggs. Lighting's not the best over here, but you can kind of get what we're doing. You alright?
Yeah, I can't really see what I'm doing without getting my head in the way of the camera.
Don't worry about it. Okay, right, so now close the Ninja.
It's pressure cook, isn't it?
Yeah, pressure cook all the way over to the left. And then high, no minutes, which sounds really weird, but trust me. And then quick release. And then make sure the little thing at the top's back.
Oh yeah.
Yep, and then start. So now what we're going to do is now we're just going to make some toast for these to go on, and then we'll see you in a minute. It's slowly coming up to pressure. It only takes about 5 minutes or so. The thing is though, once it finishes, you kind of have to take them out straight away to stop them from cooking. Otherwise they'll just continuously cook and your yolks won't be runny. So we've made our toast. We're now just waiting for the Ninja to finish. As you can see, it's coming up quite quickly. It's just the fan's just turned off, so it tells you it's kind of nearly ready for pressure. So it won't be long now. Okay, right, so it's just released its pressure. We're just waiting for it to say we can open, which won't be long. Which won't be long. Which won't be long.
This is where you need to put tumbleweed going across the screen.
Which won't be long. Yeah. You gotta love it when technology makes you look stupid, don't you? There we go. Right, so you do have to take it out straight away. Hence why I'm stood here waiting like a lemon. So, as ever, be careful when you're opening that lid, because that's a lot of steam. So now, take these bad boys out. The one thing with this method is there will be a bit of water in with the eggs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to empty the eggs into a spoon. Okay, right, so all I did was tip them over to the side to get the water off the top. And now just scoop them out. There we go. One poached egg. Same with the next one. I think the butter in the bottom makes a bit of a difference. One, it adds a little bit of flavour. And two, it does make them just, hopefully, slide out. There you go. Right, so now what we're going to do is do a yolk test.
Can we come up closer?
The fear in Jen's eyes. Yeah, if you can, please, Jen. Right, you ready?
Ready. Oh, look at that.
Look at that for a perfect poached egg. And it was effortless. Both of them. Absolutely perfect. So that's Jen's lunch for today. As you can see, it was easy. It really is nothing to it. Just whap them in. It's such a good lunch to make, even a breakfast. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. We've just hit 200 subscribers, which is a massive, massive deal for us. Hence why we're making a lot of effort with so many videos today. I think we've planned 5 for today alone, which with a 3-year-old dottering around is quite a big challenge. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to watch our other videos. And if you have any comments or requests below, please let us know. Thank you.